So hello, what's up guys? Today is the start of our new life. This day will be the beginning of my journey to fulfill my purpose and the goal in my life. So currently I'm an 18 years old, live in the Davao City, Philippines, and I'm attempting to hit my first 100,000 pesos in the next 6 months using copywriting. And I will be sharing my journey, and I will share my insights and my progress along the way in this channel. And yeah, also my self improvement to my health, achieve that Zenin Toji body physique, and also to lose my face fat, try looks maxing, and building my skills to earn money online. And yeah, that's right. In 6 months, I will not also go into college because I hate going school. So I'm taking a gap year, and my parents don't even agree with my decisions because, as we all know, going to college is like the normal path for us in the Philippines. But no, I don't want it. It's because I have something in mind. I have far more vision that I cannot explain to them, and I just want them to trust me, to get that leap of faith on me, and I guess they're slowly accepting my decision. And yeah, this is day one of my progress. Let's go.